In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by accessing settings and tapping on sound. Over here. Now you can tap on vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, click on switch to silent vibrate and tap on vibrate to set it up. This way your device will enter this vibrate mode when you press power button and volume up button together. Last but not least, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and that vibration to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!